Hey guys, so come with me, let's go and do some grocery. I'm starting this vlog inside the supermarket called Carrefour. It's end of the month and I'm going to be restocking some of the items we don't have anymore. So come with me, let's go and get my home restocked with food stuff. I'm taking one of the milk. This is the small one, though we need the big one. The spaghetti, baby. Take. We are taking one Nutella. I'm taking this blended tomato sauce. Oh my god. I think I'm gonna be taking two. I saw the sauce, tomato. We need some parts. Panini. Okay. What about the spaghetti? I think we also need this one now. This type. See the reason why? It's the small one. No, I don't want the small one. I want the big one. This one is baby that used to eat it. So we are taking vegetable oil in case we want to make some French fries. I need this one for Priscilla. The security man just called me and said that I don't have the right to record inside. I don't understand. I don't understand, you guys. If I'm holding my phone to record now, just because I'm holding camera, I don't have the right. So he said that I shouldn't record the people. I should just do mine. I said, okay, anyways, I even come here because of myself. I didn't come here because of people. I told him that I'm just recording myself and the stuff what I'm buying. I don't know when this one starts. I don't have the right to record. Some Fanta. My husband doesn't joke with drinks. Your stomach will get big, eh? Some cake. It's more better the big one instead of the small one. So we are taking one of the big one. There is no Priscilla without Capri Sun. So how will I do shopping without Capri Sun? It's not possible. One of these, yeah. We are taking some rice. Dishwasher. The big one is more better. Look at the big one. Look at the price, you guys. And we have 12 bottles inside for €12. That is the reason why I like here, because you get to see everything for cheap price. Wow, I'm so happy for this sauce, tomato sauce. You want I take the 5? Or should I take all the stores? So we are done with the Carrefour. Everything was $180 something for all this. Give to me. What about this one?
Ouais, si tu dois mettre, mais ça c'est mieux que parce qu'il y a le prochain.
Okay, I'll just hang it like this. So you guys, we are going to another supermarket called Grand Frère. So we are taking this first thing first. We are taking one fish because I love fish so much. Okay, here we got another fish. What's the name of this one? Is it the same?
Oui.
You guys, we just have finished our shopping, our grocery, and we are heading to pick Priscilla at the school. When you are inside, you will not even notice the time. You guys, I didn't even know that the time is 5:51. We are just rushing now to pick Pris. I'm so happy that we are able to do the grocery today. I'm a little bit tired, you guys. Don't mind this look, because right now I just want to get home, take one shower, and just go to bed and sleep. I am so excited, you guys, because basically we got full stuff at home. The home is not missing anything at all right now. So I'm just going to be showing you guys basically what we got from the Grand Frère. We didn't get a lot of things, okay? So first and foremost, we got this is it heart or liver? I don't know. This is it right here. We got 3 of these. This is not for me, you guys. So this is for Obi, and I don't even like it. I know they eat whether not liver, being a heart, anything come to liver or heart or something. I did not like it. So we got 3 of these. We got this fish as well. In French, it's called dorade. I don't know what they call it in English. Oh, anyway, if you know what they call this fish in English, just put it on the comment section. This is how it looks like. This is one of our favorite. I love this. Maybe at times when you want to cook some rice, you just dip this into your rice and some prom. I love it. You can also cook it like that. It's not a bad idea. Okay, French people love this so much. And I got this chicken nugget as well. Basically, this is for our baby. She loved this so much, especially now that it's school time. When she comes back, she just quickly dive into this. This is one of our favorites. So we got this oyster sauce as well. I love this oyster sauce, you guys. It just gives my veggies that Chinese taste, you know, that Chinese aroma. So I love this, especially this particular one. I took one of these. So basically that is all what we got in the Grand Frère supermarket. So we didn't buy a lot of things there, so everything that is about $50 or so. We also took 2 of this big prom, and yeah, I'm so happy. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy for these tomatoes, you guys, for this tomato sauce. This is basically going to be lasting us for a few days. I mean, for this month. I am so happy. We got all the food stuff at home. Everything is at home. I'm not missing anything. The only thing that is missing right now is just meat and chicken, which I'm going to be buying tomorrow after my job. Yeah, after my job, I'm going to be heading over to the butchery, and then I'm going to be buying the meat and the chicken, onions. Yeah, so we forgot to buy that. Let me say anything as well. That is why at times I like to write everything down. At times I forgot. It's because I got surprised from Obi, and we didn't even plan for the shopping. So that is the main reason I am forgetting a lot of things right now. But I think basically the only thing that is missing right now is the meat and chicken. And yeah, basically that is it. Helping Mama to make dinner and helping Mama to wash the dishes. I'm making some shrimp and some pesto with heavy cream spaghetti. So this is the type of pesto that I'm using. I actually got this pesto from Italy, and I love it so much. I'm using this pesto with a heavy cream, using a little of this. A little bit of salt. I don't want to add too much because there's already salt in our pasta. I need to arrange this place. Our dinner is ready. Look at that. Now we are going to add this to our spaghetti. Hi guys, so today is 7th of September 2025. Just coming from the hospital, and I was rushed down from my job to the hospital yesterday with an ambulance. Something happened which I cannot even explain how it all happened, but I give glory to God. Priscilla, help me with scissors so I can cut this thing out of my hand. I'm gonna cut this off before any other thing. Okay, don't worry. Now I'm free. I'm a little bit, free. So I don't know what happened yesterday. I can't even explain. Suddenly I found myself on the floor. I couldn't move my leg, I couldn't move my waist. I was thinking that what would happen? Am I paralyzed or something? So they had to call the ambulance and come check me and take me to the hospital. So getting there, they said that is the stress of the job that is affecting my waist so much. For those of you who doesn't know, I work in a bakery, where they sell bread and croissant, pain chocolat. So I work there and we stand all day, like 247. I'm always standing, like attending to customers. And I also work in because I do two jobs. I also work in a place as a laundry and all that, so I cannot even sit down. The only time that I will sit down is when I take my break. So this is the main thing that is affecting my waist so much. Now I have this pain, like to move like this, to move, I can't even move myself. The pain is on another level. It's too, you guys, the pain is something else. When I move my legs, it affected my waist. The pain was just too much. They had to give me this oh Jesus, Europe job not be your mate, honestly. Europe job not be your mate. Even happy for this rest what they have given me, because they had to give me 2 weeks stay at home. Like this I can take care of myself, but the pain is too much. So they give me this waist bed to be using for the moment for the waist that is going to help me. This is I never reached 50 years. My waist don't they pay me like this. So this is it. I'm using the bed right now, kind of helping me from the back here, because now to move like this problem, to move like this is even turn my back. Oh God, I cannot even walk properly. Anyways, they also give me this one as well. They said I should put hot water and then put it on my waist when I want to sleep or something. They give me some drugs that will be helping me to relieve the pain, and they also give me this too. So they give me some instruction, that will also help me as well, that I should go through it. The exercise that I will be doing to release the pain. So you guys, that is it. My energy is gone, guys. All my strength is gone. I don't even have strength anymore. Working. At the end of the day, the thing is at the end of the month, after this pain in this France, you have nothing left. Nothing left in your account. The main thing is that I cannot sit down at home. I need to have my own money. I need to support my husband. I cannot just leave everything for him, because we have a lot to pay. We are also planning to buy the home. We are planning to do a lot of things. So I cannot let everything for him. I need to support him if we want that good future for our children. You guys, this is the reason why I cannot stay at home and I cannot stay on YouTube, because how much is YouTube gonna be paying me? I cannot stay on social media. How much are they going to be paying me? I don't know. I think the best thing in this place is just to start a business. This is it, because I don't know how long someone is going. You cannot be rich with this salary job. I'm tired of salary job, you guys. I just want to look for something, like one business that I can go into. So yeah, Priscilla has been nice. Come here. Priscilla has been nice to me. She said that she's going to take care of me, that I shouldn't worry. Oh my goodness, she was so nice since yesterday, you guys. She said, don't worry mama, I'm going to take care of you. Oh, I have a call. This is my friends from work, you guys. They'll be calling me to check up on me. So yeah, Priscilla hair is rough. We are going to be doing that in another video. I noticed that we have a lot of subscribers in the house. We have a new precious people. I want to say thank you so much to you guys. For most of them come from Eileen, and I want to say thank you. You guys are the best. I love you so much. In fact, my previous post, you guys have supported me like never before, and I just want to say thank you. If you want me to do get to know me, just let me know in the comment section. I would like to do get to know me like this. You guys will get to know me more, because I know you are new to this channel and you would like to know more about me. So let me know in the comment section if you want me to do get to know me video for you guys. And done, your wish is my command. Just tell me on the comment section and I'm gonna be doing it in my next video. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. What are you doing? That she's not stand up. You know I cannot carry you because they said I shouldn't carry heavy something, so that I should stay away from heavy things right now. I shouldn't carry anything that is heavy. So yeah, stand up. You know I cannot carry you. Please stand up. Tell them I love you.
I love you.
To our new subscribers, tell them we love you. Thank you so much for watching this video, and we'll be seeing you guys in our next one. We love you, and bye for now. Stay peace.